Hey everybody, hopefully this will help you if you got a problem with your motor peeing. Hadn't taken the boat out in a few months, but I've cranked it up within a month. But anyway, it was peeing fine last time I cranked it up, and I came out here this time and hooked the hose up. And it's a Yamaha 2-stroke 70 horsepower. And as you see, I came and I took the cover off, and that's where this tube hooks up to. That end hooks up to there, and all that yellow stuff you see there and a whole lot more was in this tube. It was totally clogged up. You see where I took a piece of weed eater line and ran through it, and hopefully there's where the other end was at right there. There's just a little clip, simple clip right there that goes, so that tube goes from there to there. I'm going to get this yellow stuff out and then give it another shot. Also, before I try this thing out, I ran it up in there also, and I don't feel anything in there. Well, yeah, there is a little bit coming out too. So I'm going to get what I can get out of here. I know the camera works not awesome, but make sure nothing else comes out of here. Ooh, I broke through something there. Something's built a big old nest in here apparently. Okay, I'm gonna hook it back up. Hopefully that'll be enough to break it loose. We'll see in just a second. Alright, so after getting that very aggravating, a rabbit just ran by, that very aggravating hose back on, because that clip is aggravating just because it's hard to get needle nose pliers to. So that's connected. That didn't have a clamp on it. We'll put this cowl back on and we're going to see what happens. Got to worry about it hooked up, of course. So hang on just a second. All right, got my water running. We're going to see if it'll fire back up.